Hey, it's Zoe, and I am outside our concierge veranda room number 11016.
Welcome to our crib. When you enter our room, first you see storage here. There's like one cabinet, a door, an open storage area, and 3 drawers. Then we have the closet space with cute little Mickey heads on them.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that.
Okay,
Oh, wow.
This time
I want the robe.
we need to wear our robes. We always say we're gonna wear
this
them.
one.
That is yours. That's the kids one.
Oh, good.
So there's 2 adult ones, kid ones, and then the slippers.
Do you wear them like after you take a bath or something?
Sure.
Or shower?
Then we have a lot of hangers.
Which is good.
And the life jackets. And then
Come over
this
here.
closet is our safe. More hangers. The laundry bag with the laundry slip. And a lot of open storage for like your shoes and whatnot.
Whatnot.
More storage. Some glasses. And then
3 more
more
drawers.
drawers.
Okay.
Here is our bed.
My bed. Okay.
Our bed. And I will say, Disney Cruise Line beds are my absolute favorite.
Jump on the bed. Jump on the bed.
They are so comfortable.
Yes.
Have you ever noticed that the bedding has Mickeys on it?
You can't really see him, but yes,
the,
I
like,
see.
Cruise weight.
Yeah, that's cool.
So on each side of the bed, there are lamps with the buttons here. Let's see, we have a regular outlet, and then you also have like a European outlet, it looks like, on this side. And then 1 drawer.
For storage. Oh, and this side you have the phone, too.
And on this side, you have the lamp switch.
What's the other one?
And what does this one do?
Oh, wait, turn it off? Oh, wait, I think it's coming from behind us.
No, it's... Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. It's the 2 little lights right in the middle there.
Yeah.
We have the phone. So there is not an outlet on this side. And then 1 drawer.
And 1 chair.
1 random chair.
Oh.
The doorbell. All right, so the doorbell rang, and it was one of the staff members to ring our fruit plate. So bananas, grapes, berries,
Strawberries. I know raspberries.
orange, apple.
Pear.
So here's our TV. We only have 1 TV in this room, which is fine because we're not in here long enough really to watch that much. We have storage here, and then more.
Does it like pull out, I think?
It does.
And you can turn it.
Yeah. So then you
Turn it my way.
can swivel it.
There
And then back in.
we go.
When you are
Oh, yes.
concierge, you can request that your fridge be stocked with goodies.
Oh, yummy.
So we have Coke, Sprite, Diet Coke, which I didn't ask for Diet Coke, but that's okay. We have water and then apple juice.
Yay, apple juice.
More storage. Here's a hair dryer. Okay. Another seat here.
So your makeup.
Okay, here's your hair dryer outlet. And then you have 2 regular outlets. All these lights for around the mirror. And above us. And then...
What the?
What is that?
I don't know.
Okay. So here is your cruise line little booklet. They have these envelopes you can take, notepad or paper, postcards, and then your continental breakfast that you fill out. keep going, and we have more storage, various glasses, and another cabinet with shelving.
And then more down there.
There is a lot of storage
Yes.
in one room. Like, we have so much storage.
Yeah.
And then behind us is the couch that turns into Zoe's bed.
Yes.
This room also has the bunk bed that comes out of the ceiling.
She never let me use.
Disney has a split bathroom design. One has a shower, with the sink, and the other one will have the toilet.
It's really cool.
Here is our sink area.
That's oh, I love this.
We actually bought that on the treasure.
Yeah, I liked that.
In this room.
And
I do
then,
like that soap.
I love this.
It's like a little round tub shower combination. And it has, I did like this one because it has the rainfall. But also it has the handheld that you can take off.
All the way up there.
And it has the little seating area at the side.
Mm-hmm. And it has like 2 of those strings that you can hang.
The clothesline.
Oh, yes, that.
Mm-hmm.
And then towels.
And
More
tissues.
towels.
So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 little corner shelves, and then
What's
there's
that?
a shelf. It's a mirror for when you're doing your makeup and whatnot.
It looks funny.
Closer mirror.
That's cool.
And another shelf underneath.
And then a body mirror, I guess. Whole mirror.
And here's the toilet room.
The toilet room. It actually looks a little bit bigger. And
So it has 2 corner shelves, a shelf above the toilet as well.
Oh, it's all leather.
A sink with your soap, and then more shelving underneath. And then the coolest part, I think, about our room.
I think the same. What'd you say?
He said he's the coolest part about this room. Is our amazing balcony. It's like a dome shape. It has this glass that comes out, and then it's open in the middle, and then obviously your glass on the bottom.
Yeah, I'd hope so.
But this is really neat. It's like kind of enclosed.
Yeah.
It's very spacious.
Yeah, and if it rains, it's like you can still step on the balcony. It'll just go down.
Oh, yeah. So yeah, if it does rain, you really could still sit out here and not get wet because it's so it's deeper.
Deep, yeah.
Kind of like an extended balcony.
Sort of, yeah.
Yeah. And really, I mean, they probably could put like a lounge chair here.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. But I really like this room and I like this balcony.
Mhm.
Thanks for joining us on our tour.